Hello everyone, I am Felix Menezes and this is your part 2 of AP chapter. Okay, this video continues from the last video. We have done two questions in the last video and now we will begin with the third question. All the formulas were given in the previous video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, make sure go to the previous video, write all the formulas and then come and watch this video. Okay. What we are doing, if we are doing difficult questions of AP and of other chapters also, it will be continued in the next videos. But today we are doing almost 10 questions of AP chapter. Okay. The question here is, in an AP, the sixth term is one more than twice the third term. The sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Whenever you read such questions, keep on writing, don't wait for anything else. Okay, the sixth term is how much more? One more than twice the third term. Twice the third term. See here, you have to read the question and write it, okay? The sixth term is one more than twice. Twice in the sense multiplication. The third term. Okay. The sum of the fourth and the fifth term is, this is from here you will get your equation 1. From here you will get your equation 2. Okay, that is what? the sum of fourth and fifth term. The sum of fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of the progression. What is asked? The final thing is asked A10. A10 is equal to question mark, the 10th term. From here you are supposed to get your equation 1, from here equation 2, and from here you are supposed to write the answer. Okay. So gentlemen and ladies, let's begin. If you know, please pause the video, try to solve it. If you don't know, then proceed with the video. So here what you can write in place of A6, A plus 5D is equal to 1 plus 2 and the bracket continues. Don't leave the bracket, okay. What is A3? A plus 2D. Multiply this with this also and with this also. A plus 5D, which is equal to 1 plus 2A plus 4D. 2A and 2 to the 4. Okay, now this is a smaller, take it that side. Okay, so 2A minus A. 1 as it is, 1 plus 2A minus A plus 4D. You want to take this that side. Okay, you would get a minus 5D, which is equal to 0, correct? What have I done? I have kept everything this side and I have brought this on this side, okay, is equal to 0. Now 1, what is this? Plus this just A. What is it? Minus D, which is equal to 0. Here how I got minus D? Greater number sign is negative, okay, so I have taken minus D. Equation 1. You can rewrite the equation, you can properly write it. A minus D plus 1, which is equal to 0, consider equation 1. First the variables, then the number. Same here you will get equation 2, Baba. How will you get equation 2? What is A4? A plus 3D. Here A5. A5 is A plus 4D. 5 times, bracket continues, A plus D. A plus A is nothing but 2A. 2A plus 7D, which is equal to 5A plus 5D. 5A is greater, so take the smaller one towards the greater side. 5A minus 2A. Okay, bring this side, which is equal to 7D minus 5D. 5A minus 2A is how much? 3A, which is equal to 2D. And now you can see here, you can get the value of A from here. A, which is equal to 2 upon 3D. Where all it is A, there you can put 2 upon 3D, and that is how you can substitute and solve for A and D. Okay, this is equation 2. Equation 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Put this 2 value in 1, okay. A is nothing but 2 upon 3D. 2 upon 3D, okay. 2 upon 3D minus D plus 1. minus d plus 1 which is equal to 0. From here you are supposed to get the d value. Okay, how will you get d value? Here solve this both by LCM method, that is multiply the 3 here and 2d minus 3d upon 3 which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 goes and become minus 1. Solve this becomes minus d which is equal to, this goes and multiplies here, becomes minus 3 and d which is equal to 3. In both side it is negative, you have to consider the answer to be positive. You got your d is 3, substitute d here, you will get your a. A is equal to 2 upon 3 into 3, 3 cancels and you get your a which is equal to 2. I hope this is visible and I hope you have understood how I have taken this and substituted in D in the second equation. Okay, you can also write substitute the equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, you got your A, you got your D. What is asked? A10 is asked. A10 is how much? A plus 9D. A is given, A is 2, D is 3. Just put them. 2 plus 3, 9 into 3. You have to multiply first. Remember the BODMAS your entire life. Okay. Don't do the mistake. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 is 29. So A10 which is equal to 29, your answer, final answer. See how you have to begin it, get it, and how you have to execute and get the answer correct. Don't be in a hurry. In exam, such questions will come. You have to be patiently solving these questions by substitution method. You can also do it by elimination method, provided that you have learned it properly. Okay. If you have done, if you want to take a screenshot, please do take. Let's go to the next sum. Okay. Just I'll confirm with the video. Yeah, everything is visible in the video. Yeah, perfect. Let's go to the next one. The sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24. The sum of fourth and eighth term of AP is how much? 24. If you are known with all these question answers, watch the video in 2x more. Okay, don't waste your time. And the sum of 6th and the 10th term is 44. The sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. We are supposed to find A1, also supposed to find A2, also supposed to find A3. Here A plus 3D is the value of this. A plus 3D is the formula, plus A plus 8D. Yeah, A plus 8D. A plus 7D, sorry. 7D which is equal to 24. If it is 4, here it should be 3. If it is 8, here it should be 7. A plus A is 2A plus 3 plus 7 is 10. D which is equal to 24. Take the common 2 from this. 2 is common. A plus 5D which is equal to 24. Cancel this 2 ones are, 2 12s are. A plus 5D which is equal to 12. Equation 1. It's getting your equations correct. Huh? Always you get an equation from this and something from this. Getting the two equations, solving and getting the answer. That is how AP is. Well, 4 marks is like this only. So easy questions come for 4 marks. A6 is nothing but A plus 5D. A10 is nothing but A plus 9D which is equal to 44. A plus A, 2A plus 14D which is equal to 44. Take the 2 common, 2 is common, A remains here plus 7D which is equal to 44. Confirm here. 2A and 2 5s are 10. 2 into A is 2A, 2 5s are 10. Same to same, 2 into A is 2A, 2 7s are 14. 2 and 22 cancels 22. So A plus 7D which is equal to 22 is your equation. You got a equation 1, you got a equation 2. Find the value of A and D on your own and try to get the answer. Okay. If you don't know, then I will solve it. Write the equation here, A plus 5D which is equal to 12 and solve it. Okay. Negative, negative, negative. We are minusing or we are subtracting 1 and 2. Okay. So A and A gets cancelled. Minus, here it is plus 2D. Greater number sign is very important, and here it is 10. 2 comes down. and it becomes d is equal to 10 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 5 are. Okay, so d what we have got, which is equal to 5. Now, once you have got your d, find your a. Either substitute it in this or in this, okay? Let me substitute it in the first equation. Substitute your third equation or your d value in equation 1, okay? So, a plus 5 into d is how much? 5 is equal to 12. 5 5 are 10, 5 5 are 25. A plus 25, which is equal to 12. A, which is equal to 12 minus 25, and a, which you get minus 13. Okay, greater number sign is negative. You are supposed to write it at any condition. Okay, small mistake might happen in exam also. 25 goes that side and become minus. Okay, you got your a, you got your d. You're supposed to find your first three terms. First three terms, how they are been found? Everyone know the first term is already given. Okay, here it is minus 13. Okay, the first term is minus 13. The second term would be minus 13 plus d. So minus 13 plus 5, which is equal to minus 8. Greater number sign is mandatory. Same, minus 13 plus 2d, 2 times d you are supposed to add, that is your 10, 5 to the 10, and minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Okay, so your first term, which is equal to minus 13, add 5 to that, you will get a second term which is equal to minus 8. Again add 5 to this also, third term which is equal to minus 3, and this is how your answer is to be found. Sum is beautiful. It had come for 3 marks in the previous exams. But suppose this year you may get it for 4 marks also. Take the screenshot. Let's move to the next one. The fourth term of an AP is 6 more than its second term. The fourth term of an AP is 6 more than the second term. 6 more than the second term. Correct? Let's read it once more. Exam also confirm your writings, okay? The fourth term of an AP is 6 more than its second term, okay? Than its second term. Oh, keep it for equation 1. If the eighth term is 26, if the eighth term is 26, then find the AP. Then you're supposed to find the AP. AP is equal to question mark. One equation you get it from here, one equation you get it from here, you can write the AP. Aram se. A4 is how much? A plus 3D, which is equal to 6 plus, what is A2? A plus D. A and A on the same, with the same sign gets cancelled. D comes here, 3D minus D, which is equal to 6. 2D, which is equal to 6. 3A minus 1 is 2. 2 goes down, D, which is equal to 6 upon 2, and D, which is equal to 3. Correct, na? 2 ones are 2 threes are. D equals to 3. Here you are opening this A plus 7D, which is equal to 26. Consider this to be equation 1. Substitute 1 in, consider this to be 2. Put this value here. A plus 7 into 3, which is equal to 26. 7 3s are 21. A is equal to 26 plus, sorry. Let's write it properly, okay? 7 3s are 21 is equal to 26. And here it is 26. 21 goes that side. A is equal to 26 minus 21. A is equal to 5. You got your A, D and your A, find the AP. So AP starts with 5, add D to it, the second term would be 8. The third term would be, again add 3 to it would be 11. Again add 3 to it would be 14, and so on. This is your AP. Very easy sum and very small sum, okay? Take the screenshot, let's go to the next one. Here we don't do any time pass. Only teaching is going on here, okay? And if you have any doubts or any queries, please contact me by the comments, okay? In an AP, the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 the sum of next 5 terms. Beautiful sum. Most of you must not be able to solve, most of you must have solved this sum before also. If not, then only pay attention, or else you can watch it on 2x mode. If can solve, try to solve. Try to solve it. If you can solve, solve it. If not, then pay attention. Or else pause the video, try to solve, then come and watch it again. If the sum of first 5 terms, that is S5, sum of first 5 terms, that is S5, which is equal to 1/4 the sum of next 5 terms. So next 5 terms would be very easy to write S10 minus S5. If not, then aram se you can go A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. See what have I done? Even instead of writing S5, you can also write it as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. A4. What have I done here? The sum of first 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 the sum of next 5 terms. Okay? The first term is 2. First term they have given A, which is equal to 2. Find the sum of 30 terms. Yes, 30, which is asked. After giving the given part, now at least try to solve it. Okay? I will solve it for you, Baba. Here A1 is nothing but A, A2 is nothing but A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, which is equal to 1/4. Again, same proceeds with this. A plus 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, A plus 9D. Written here equation, this part I have written here 1/4 as it is, this I have written here. Why have I written 1/4? Here it is said 1/4, okay? 1/4 of the sum of next 5 terms. Now put the value of A. A is how much? Or else you can put the value of A later also, okay? Count it. 1, 2, 3, okay? 4. What is this, sir? Little mistake. A plus 3D, no? A plus 3D. A plus 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5A plus D how much? 1, 3, 6, 10 plus 10D, which is equal to 1/4 the value of, count here how much A's are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus D's, how many D's are there? 5, 11, 18, 26, 35. Now this 4 would come here and get multiplied. Okay, 4 multiplied to this, 4 into 5 times A. A value everyone know it's 2. 5 times 2 plus 10D, which is equal to 5 times A is 2 plus how many D's? 35 D's. 5 2s are 10. Multiply this to this also and to this also. So 10 4s are 40 plus 40D, which is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 35D. So properly try to understand here, okay? 40, this comes and becomes minus here, and this D, this goes and becomes minus that side. Okay, whatever it is, you can also take this side. Better take this 35 this side. Get this 35 this side. So 40 minus 40D minus 35D, which is equal to 40, take that side and go. 10 minus 40. How much it is? 40 minus 35 is 5. 5D, which is equal to, here it is minus 30. 5 comes down. D, which is equal to minus 30 upon 5. 5 1s are and 5 6s are. So D, which is equal to minus 6. Once you get to D, just take the value of D, and A is also given. You're supposed to find S30. S30, before solving S30, you should know the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is how much? 30. A is how much? 2. N is 30 and D which you have found is minus 6. Put it in the formula, you will get the answer. S30 which is equal to 30 upon 2, 2 times 2 plus 30 minus 1 into D. D is how much? D is minus 6. Bracket is very important. You have to put the bracket, it is multiplication, and complete this bracket also. Okay, 2 ones are 2 15s are S30 which is equal to 15 into 4 plus 29 into minus 6. Multiply this 29 into minus 6. Let's do it somewhere here. 29 into 6. 6 nines are 54. 6 twos are 12 and this is 17 minus 174. 15 4 minus, because plus into minus is minus, 174. 174, and gentlemen and ladies, you got your answer. It is minus 170. The sum would come in negative. Okay, the sum would come in negative. That is, if you add, multiply this both, you will get an answer. Okay, I hope you can do it on your own. Need not, I should not do it. Okay, next, take the screenshot. The answer, final answer, you all are supposed to write it. S30, multiply this both and get the answer. Okay, and write it here. You have to do at least the multiplication part on your own. Okay, don't expect the teacher to multiply it for you. But if you have not understood, re-watch the video. Okay, or else try to do it on your own. Take the screenshot and let's proceed ahead. In an AP, the sixth term is one more. The sixth term is one more. Then twice the third term. Then twice the third term. See how beautiful these questions are. The sum of the fourth and the fifth term is 5 times. The sum of the fourth and the fifth term. The sum of the fourth and the fifth term is 5 times the second term, is equal to 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of the AP. 10th term is asked. 10th term which is equal to question mark. See, again the question is same like the previous one, okay? Or else same to same or a little different from this, okay? Check. It's looking like this question also. It's looking like this question only, okay? I think it's same question. Yeah, it's the same question, okay? Double printing. Find the 10th term, yeah. Second, it's the same question, so need not solve it, okay? Leave this question. Question number 8. The sum of second and the fourth term is 54. Sum of first 11 terms is 693. Okay, and find the AP. Which term of this progression is 132 more than its 54th term? Recently, Karnataka board has given this question, I think in 2023. Board exams. Beautiful question. Try to pause the video and try to solve it. If you cannot, then only watch the video. Okay? We will solve it. The sum of second and the fourth term of an AP is how much? 54. Second plus fourth is equal to 54. The sum of its first 11 terms, S11, which is equal to 693. Okay? Do not go and add A1, A2, A3 till 11. S11 formula is there, Baba, directly. Huh? Which term is 132 more than its 54th term? The last term, which is equal to 132 more in the sense plus, then its 54th term, A54. A54. Here n is unknown, so that n is supposed to be found. Okay, but the last term would be 132 more than the 54th term. This is what the given is. You're supposed to find, here you are supposed to find a and d by these two equations. Put it there, you are getting your answer n. So a4, a2 plus a4, na, a2 plus a4. A2 is nothing but a plus d plus a4 is nothing but a plus 3d, which is equal to 54. A plus a is 2a plus 4d, which is equal to 54. Take 2 common. A plus 2d, which is equal to 54. 2 ones are 2 27s are. A plus 2d, which is equal to 27. You got your equation 1. Same we will get equation 1, equation 2 from here. S11 formula, you should be knowing it. N upon 2, correct? 2a plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1, 11 minus 1 into d, huh? Which is equal to 693. Let's rub this. Yeah. 693. See how have I written? You are also supposed to write it like this only, okay? As formula, formula, number, number. 2 goes and multiplies, 11 comes and divides, okay? 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 11 minus 1 is 10d, which is equal to 693 upon 11 into 2. This multiplication gets divided here and 2 gets multiplied here, okay? 11 ones are 11 6s are 66, 3 remains, 11 3s are 33. So 2a, 2 is common, again 2 common, a plus 5d, which is equal to 63 into 2. Don't waste your energy in multiplying this because 2 and 2 gets cancelled again. A plus 5d, which is equal to 63, equation 1 and equation 2, solve it, get your a and b. Okay, I will solve it here. A plus 2d, which is equal to 27. Okay, equation 1. Elimination method, negative, 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 negative. Cancel this both. 5 minus 2 is 3d, which is equal to 63 minus 27. Okay, 13 minus 7 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 36 you got. 3 goes down. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So D what you got is a 12. I hope you all have got D12. Substitute your D value, that is your equation 3. Substitute 3 in 1. Okay, what you would get? A plus 2 times 12, which is equal to 27. 2 times 12 is 24. A is equal to 27 minus 24. And you find A value. A is how much? 3. A you got 3. D you got 12. Put it in this. The formula for an is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 132 more than the a54. A54 is a plus 53d. A and a also got cancelled on both the sides plus ke saath. D and d don't cancel, okay? It's not directly, you cannot cancel like that. But a and a has plus on both the sides, you can cancel it. Here, put the value of d. D is 12. So, n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 132 plus 53 into D. D is again how much? 12. You would get a big number here. Take this 12 and go to the division part. Minus 1 is going to become plus. Okay. So I will do it for you all. Don't worry. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to 132. First is multiplication. 12 3s are 36. 3 here. 12 5s are 63 plus 63. If you add this both, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 6, 7, which is equal to n minus 1. 12 will go and become divide here. 12 ones are, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72. So how much remain? 4 remain, 12 4s are 48. So n minus 1, which is equal to 64, n which is equal to 64 plus 1, n which is equal to 65. So plus 1 from where? Minus becomes plus this side, no? You got an n which is 65. So the answer is the 65th term is 132 more than the 54th term. Okay. You sit and write the terms. The 65th term would be 132 more than the 54th term. Just check. Take the screenshot, big sum and beautiful sum. This is there in NCRT also, but half question is in NCRT. I hope you will have taken the screenshot. Let's proceed ahead. The big question. They're not small questions. We have brought only 4 mark questions, okay, or 3 mark questions. There's no 1 or 2 mark question. 1 or 2 mark question we'll do it in some other video, okay? I'll just drink water, try to solve it. Yeah. The first and the last term of an AP are 3 and 253. The first term is given 3. The last term is given AN, which is equal to 253. Correct? If the 20th term of the AP is 98, the 20th term is also given, 20th term is 98, 20 term, 20th, TH. Then find the AP, also find the sum of last 10 terms. Sum of last 10 terms. Find the sum of last 10 terms. Last 10 terms. You cannot write S10, okay? You may forget and you may find S10. It is S, that is sum of last 10 terms. It's not easy sum, it's not familiar sum also, okay? Very rarely such sums comes in your exam and you have to be prepared. If you are writing your board exams, anything might come. Be prepared for everything. So A is given, you can, here A plus D is given, A plus 19D is given, A plus 19D is equal to 98. We will substitute the value of A, that is 3 plus 19D, which is equal to 98. Take this 3 minus that side, 19D, which is equal to 98 minus 3 and 19D, which is equal to 95. D is 95 upon 19, 1s are 19s are, sorry, 5s are. So D, which is equal to 5. You got your D, you got your A. Why is this given? To find N. An formula everyone know, A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 253. An formula I have written it as it is here. Under this I have written as it is here. Under this I have written as it is here. A is given 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D is how much? 5, which is equal to 253. Don't take it and go and make it divide. Take this 3 and go this side first. N minus 1 into 5, which is equal to 250, because I have minused it in my mind. You do it as a one step. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 0s are. N minus 1, which is equal to 50. Here N minus 1, which is equal to, and minus 1 becomes plus that side. N is equal to 50 plus 1. N, which is equal to 51. You got your N, you got your D, you got your A. What are you supposed to find? Your first of all, 51th term, okay? N is 51, no? So you are supposed to find sum of last 10 terms. That is 51th term, 50, 49, 48, 47. You cannot simply go on writing them. We will write the formula. S10, which is equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. The D, from the beginning it is 5, okay? From the behind it would be minus 5. So I will write D because it is from the last term. So from the last when of finding, your D would be negative 5. Correct? Your A is not this A now. From the last term is 253. The AP ends at 253. The AP is ending at 253. 253. And the last second term would be 248. And after that 243. 243. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, 243. And so on. Okay, this is the last terms. So we are counting these terms, sum of last 10 terms. So A would be this. Okay, the D would be 5. That is in negative. If I minus this and this, okay, this is first term, second term minus first term. If I do, I would get negative 5. Don't worry, just where it is 5, where you take minus 5. The first term, you are supposed to take the last term, 253. Okay, N, what are we supposed to take? N 10 terms, no? So N would be 10. N is equal to 10. n is 10 upon 2, 2 times 253 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into d. d is how much? Minus 5. Bracket complete. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, and 2 twos are 4, plus 1 5. Plus, that is, sorry, not plus, it should be minus, no? How can it be plus? It should be minus. How come minus, sir? Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus 45. Minus 45. 5 negative, that is negative it, minus it. 6 minus 5 is 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 4 is as it is. Multiply it, Baba, and you get a final answer. That is S10, which is equal to 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30, with 0 here, 3 here. Keep 3 in your mind. 5 4 are 23. 2305. Yes, 10, which is equal to 2305. I've written it properly once more. You cannot solve it by that formula. You cannot solve it by Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L. You cannot solve it by that formula because the last term, again, if the AP starts from 253, last term would be A. But we are not counting it till here. We are only counting it till the 10th term. 10 terms, okay? So this is the correct way of solving and there is no other option. This is the only way of solving, okay? Please do write and take or else take the screenshot.